This is Tegan. She's 2 years old and she's going to tell us the presidents. Okay, who's that?
George Washington.
Who's next?
John Adams.
Very good.
Cassie?
Show me the presidents and then I'll show you. Who is that?
Thomas Jefferson.
Very good.
John Adams.
No, that's not John Adams. Who's that?
Madison.
Madison, right.
Monroe. Kennedy.
Right. John.
Quincy Adams.
Very good.
Jackson.
Jackson.
Van Buren.
Van Buren.
Henry Harrison.
Henry Harrison.
Truman.
No, that's not Truman. That's John. John who? John. Ty. John Tyler.
Polk.
James Polk, right.
Tyler.
No, not Tyler. Taylor. Zachary.
Taylor. Fillmore.
Fillmore. Who's that?
Pierce.
Very good. That's Pierce. That's a hard one. James Buchanan, right. Oh, who did you miss? Who is that? Abraham?
And Lincoln.
Very good.
Johnson.
Right, Johnson.
Ulysses Matthew Grant.
Right, Ulysses S. Grant.
That's
Rutherford
Hayes.
Hayes.
Polk.
Is that Polk? No, who is that? Who is that? It's
Garfield.
Very good, Garfield. Oh, Chester.
Arthur.
Very good.
Grover Cleveland.
Very good. B. Ben.
Harrison.
Right, Benjamin Harrison.
Grover Cleveland.
Right.
McKinley.
Very good.
Teddy Roosevelt.
Good.
Taft.
Woodrow
Wilson.
Wilson.
Truman.
No. Warren.
Harding.
Very good.
Coolidge.
Coolidge. Who is that?
Coolidge.
Herbert.
Hoover.
Right.
Lincoln.
No, F.
Dr. Truman.
Truman. Ike.
Kennedy.
Kennedy.
Johnson.
Nixon.
Nixon.
Is that a hard one? Gerald.
Ford.
Gerald Ford, right.
Jimmy Carter.
Right.
Nick.
No, Ronald.
Reagan.
Right.
Bush.
Bush.
Clinton.
Clinton.
Bush.
George.
W. Bush.
George W. Bush.
Barack Obama or president.
Good job. Very good job. Give me 5. Good job. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.